Na nag-pin pa siya. Thank you, uy, kapitbahay, thank you. Maraming salamat, guys. Bilang tayo. Tayo ko si Will and this is Will Talks. Magbabalik ang #1 podcaster ng Pilipinas. Kapag ganon, alams na. Ending in 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you, Aki. 4. Thank you, Eknog. 3. Thank you so much. 2. 1. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Good night. Maraming salamat. Thank you.